Hello, my dear students. I welcome you all in Bhavna Mishra Pandey English classes. So, today we are going to do from section B writing skills, short composition, and this topic occurs all these teaching points: advertisement, notice, poster, invitation, and replies. But today we will cover only advertisement. So, let's start. What is an advertisement? An advertisement is a kind of public notice asking for or offering services, buying or selling property, any goods, or providing information about missing people or pets, etc. There are two kinds of advertisement. First one is classified, and the next one, second type, is commercial. So, classified advertisements we come across in the columns of newspapers and magazines. What are the important features? No block, no design, and the language to be factual. It must be based on facts. It must be simple, formal, and to the point. It must not be lengthy. Otherwise, your marks will be reduced in the examination because word limit is decided, and that is 50 words. Alright? So, don't go too lengthy. And it must be comprehensive. Comprehensive means easily understand hone wala. Language must be easy. Okay? And must not leave any important matter. You have to give everything. While you are writing the classified advertisement, you have to give the details. I think for this we can do one thing. We can use phrases. Don't write long sentences, then your purpose will be solved. Then here I have shown some examples from newspapers. These are the cuttings of newspapers. You can see here some examples of classified advertisements are given. Now let's discuss about the bifurcation of marks in advertisement writing. So for format, you will be given 1 mark. And for format, what do you understand by this word? So format means, first of all, you have to draw a 3-sided box like this. This is 3-sided box. And here in the middle, you have to give heading. Okay? Then you will get 1 mark. Very easy. Alright. Then 2 marks for content. The content you will write over there, that must be not too lengthy. Alright. To the point you have to write over there without leaving any information. Then for the expression, you will get 1 mark. Expression means, एक्सप्रेशन का मीन्स है कि आपने टू द पॉइंट लिखा, सारी चीज़ें प्रॉपर हैं उसमें, मीन्स इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट द थिंग, जो भी आप गुड्स हैं, वॉट एवर यू आर सेलिंग और यू वांट टू, सिचुएशन वैकेंट, सिचुएशन वांटेड, वॉट एवर, रिगार्डिंग दैट, all the things, all the matter, everything present over there. And one last thing, that is contact number and all, everything is there. Then you can get 4 on 4. Alright. So, now what are the important tips we must follow while writing, while drafting this classified advertisements? So, clearly state the category at the top. Category at the top means for what purpose you are going to write this advertisement. You are going to draft this advertisement. Suppose you want to sell something. So, for sale or to sell. Okay. Then to let. To let means you are giving your things or your property to somebody on rent means. Then give all necessary details in points using comma. Okay. You put comma, comma, comma after each information. Then give like this. Don't write full sentences. Give contact address, name and the telephone number. This is mandatory. And the most important thing, this is draw the box. First of all, when you start drafting this advertisement, this thing you do that time only, draw a 3-sided box. This will serve your purpose. Then write the category over here, and after that give the necessary details, and in the last the phone number, contact number, name. Okay, so now here I have given types of classified advertisement. First, let's see. First is situation vacant. What is the purpose of this? So this advertisement is written by an employer. Keep in mind, written by an employer who is looking for the services of a person in his organization. Suppose your shop is there or any institution is there and you want somebody to work over there. Okay, so what you will write at the top? Situation vacant means जगह खाली है किसी person के लिए and he or she can join. Alright, so next one is situation wanted. Next type is situation wanted. Don't confuse between these two, situation vacant and situation wanted. Situation vacant means if you are the boss. Alright, you are the boss in a company or in a factory or means wherever, any organization you can say. So you want to give employment to somebody else. All right, then the next one is situation wanted, means this is written by a job seeker. Suppose I want a job somewhere. All right, so I'll write this situation wanted at the top, and then I'll write about myself, what qualities I am having, what type of work I can do, what experience I have, like this. Okay, suppose I am a job seeker, I want a job, so I'll describe myself over there, about my qualities, about the work I can do. Understood? Now next category is for sale. This is written in an attempt to sell property, assets, office goods, etc. Students, keep in mind while writing the heading over there. See, I have written here for sale. You can write for sale. Otherwise, to sell will also serve the purpose, but don't exchange these words. Understood? So, if we want to sell anything, we can draft this type of advertisement. Then the next is to let. If we want to give something for rent purpose, means this is written by a person looking for tenants for his or her property. Suppose, and one more thing, for these two things, no, for sale and to let, what you have to give a suitable reason for this. Okay, suppose if you are selling, so you have to give a proper reason regarding that, means why you are going to sell. Suppose you are shifting, you are going to abroad or somewhere else, you got transferred, something like that. And to let, for this purpose, suppose you want tenants for your property. All right, so now next category is accommodation wanted, written by the ones looking for a place for accommodation. Accommodation means रहने के लिए जगह somebody is looking for. Then accommodation wanted means which type of accommodation you want. Means suppose you want marketplace should be the nearest, and parking area should be proper, parking area should be there, and water and electricity supplies must be regular. Like this, what you want, you must write over there all those things. What type of accommodation and all those things you must mention over there. Then matrimonials. This is written while looking for prospective marriage candidates, like suitable match is required, bride is like this, bride and for bridegroom, this is for that purpose. Then comes missing. This is written in case any object or any person, pet, like goes missing. So what will you do in this case? You have to write descriptive details. Descriptive means you have to describe everything. Okay, means suppose that pet, so you have to write the breed, the color, and if the person is there, so means his or her age, complexion, height, everything you have to mention over there. Then you can get full on full, means 4 on 4. So students, thank you so much. Keep reading, stay connected, and keep in mind in the next video I'll give you all the examples regarding this topic. So bye bye for now.